Developer options hidden settings to fix battery drain problem. Developer options hidden features to fix battery drain problem. You could enable developer options and extend battery life. These hidden settings are very helpful in conserving battery life. So, if you want your battery to last longer, then in this video I will show you how to turn on developer options hidden settings to fix battery drain problem. So, let us start. Firstly, open the settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Tap on Software Information. Locate build number and tap on it 7 times. You should see a message that says you are now a developer. Developer options will now be enabled, which you can access by going back to your default settings page and navigating to the bottom of the list. Scroll down the list until you find Wi-Fi scan throttling. Turn on to reduce battery drain and improves network performance. Now scroll to the bottom. Find Do Not Keep Activities. Enable it. This will close applications as soon as they are moved to the background. Now tap on Limit Background Processes. You can choose limit from no background processes, 1 process at most, 2 process at most, 3 process at most and 4 process. Standard limit is 20 background processes. You should keep at least 1 or 2 background processes to save your battery life and also reduce heating problems. So, this is how to enable developer options hidden settings to fix battery drain problem and make your phone run faster. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.